In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section available here. Now use this switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you want to connect to and use this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it. Then hit pair. Quick tip, if you want to connect to another smartphone or a tablet, you need to accept connection request manually on the second device. You don't need to do that in case of headphones or, for example, a speaker. Either way, my devices were successfully connected. You can see all of your connected devices located under Part Devices section. To manage connection to any of those devices, use this gear right next to the chosen one. Manage those two switches. Click on Connect if you, for example, want to connect your headphones now, or tap on Forget to forget it completely. Don't worry, you'll be able to pair with it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!